Hey there, green thumbs! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of hydroponic plant selection? Choosing the right plants for your hydroponic system is like building a perfect team for a championship. It takes skill, strategy, and a little bit of luck. But fear not, because we're here to guide you through the process in a fun and informative way. So put on your gardening gloves and let's get started. 1. Choose plants that are naturally suited to hydroponic growing, such as lettuce, herbs, and leafy greens. 2. Avoid plants that have long taproots or require a lot of space, such as carrots or potatoes. 3. Consider the size of your hydroponic system and choose plants that can fit comfortably. 4. Think about the lighting requirements of your chosen plants and make sure your system can provide adequate light. 5. Choose plants that have a high yield and can grow quickly, such as cherry tomatoes or peppers. 6. Consider the temperature and humidity requirements of your chosen plants and make sure your system can provide a suitable environment. 7. Look for plants that are disease-resistant and easy to maintain, such as basil or chives. 8. Avoid plants that are prone to pests, such as cucumbers or melons, unless you are confident in your ability to control pests. 9. Consider the pH and nutrient requirements of your chosen plants and make sure you can provide the right balance. 10. Experiment with different plant varieties and see which ones grow best in your hydroponic system. Congratulations, fellow plant enthusiasts! You have successfully learned the art of hydroponic plant selection. By following these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving hydroponic garden filled with delicious and nutritious produce.